Hi, today we're going to go over the 4 different ways to connect your controller to Headgrower. This right here, this leaf icon in the top right, is the Headgrower icon. If you don't see that leaf icon on your home screen, please go ahead and update your firmware and then come back to this video. So if you can press that icon, and then what you want to do is press the Headgrower network, and we're going to go over these different options. So obviously there is one option that is off, that is not connecting your Boss controller to Headgrower. We're going to go over what the other 4 options mean. So they are Wi-Fi, client, hub, and sys. Wi-Fi means that you can connect this controller that you're looking at to Wi-Fi right now. It is close enough in range of a Wi-Fi signal that you can connect it. So this is what we call directly connecting your controller. So that's what my controller is doing right now. But we recognize that lots of our customers do not have all of their controllers or greenhouses within Wi-Fi range. So the next 2 options are ways that you can configure your site so that all of your Boss controllers can report information to Headgrower without each of them being directly connected. So the client option is an option for a controller that is not within Wi-Fi access, but has a radio link, and there is at least one hub controller that has Wi-Fi access. So again, this could be a client if it's not within Wi-Fi access. It just needs a radio and one controller that is within Wi-Fi access, which gets us to the hub controller. This controller needs to be within Wi-Fi access. Oftentimes we see our customers using the WeatherBoss for this hub controller. And then if you have other controllers that are not within Wi-Fi access, that's the reason you would mark it as hub instead of Wi-Fi. So hub means that you are receiving messages from other client controllers via a radio, and you are not a solo controller reporting only your status to Headgrower. If you do not have client controllers, you want to choose the Wi-Fi network, because that will get you the most efficient messages back and forth to Headgrower. The controller won't spend time taking in other client messages. Now the last option on this screen is CIS or sys. This is for our classic controllers as well as Boss controllers. If you want to see all of these controllers on our older software called sys, you would report this way, and then sys will communicate the controller information to Headgrower. One more small note: if you have a hub controller, say a WeatherBoss, that will communicate up to 10 client controllers. We do offer the Headgrower hub. So if you need more than 10 controllers, a Headgrower hub is a solo unit that can be put within Wi-Fi range, and you put a radio on it, and then it will control and communicate up to 50 controllers to Headgrower. And that concludes the overview of the different options of how to connect to Headgrower. Thank you.